Hello friends, today we are learn small letter alphabet and color name. Sky blue color, light green color, yellow color, white color, black color, red color, peach pink color, blue color, dark green color, pink color, purple color, brown color, orange color, and gray color. Red color, small letter A. Orange color, B. Yellow color, C. Light green color, D. Dark green color, E. Sky blue color, F. Blue color, G. Purple color, H. Peach pink color, I. Black color, J. Red color, K. Orange color, L. Yellow color, M. Light green color, N. Dark green color, O. Sky blue color, P. Blue color, Q. Purple color, R. Peach pink color, S. Black color, T. Red color, U. Orange color, V. Yellow color, W. Light green color, X. Dark green color, Y. Sky blue color, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Orange color, red color, pink color, white color, sky blue color, light green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, dark green color, black color, peach pink color, purple color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Red color. A for apple. Orange color. B for ball. Yellow color. C for cat. Light green color. D for dog. Sky blue color. E for egg. Dark green color. F for frog. Peace pink color. G for goat. Blue color. H for horse. Purple color. I for ice cream. Black color. J for joker. Red color. K for kite. Orange color. L for lion. Yellow color. M for mango. Light green color. N for nose. Sky blue color. O for orange. Dark green color. P for pencil. Peace pink color. Q for queen. Blue color. R for rabbit. Purple color. S for sun. Black color. T for tiger. Red color. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for fan. Yellow color. W for watermelon. light green color. X, X for X-ray. Sky blue color. Y, Y for UU. Dark green color. Z, Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.